Thanks for tuning in to Dub World. Today we're going to Wagens through Withlacoochee 2, which is an awesome VW campout and off-road driving adventure in the Withlacoochee National Forest. This is a really fun event. This is the second annual trip. I hope you plan on coming for 2023. Don't think about it, just do it. So much fun. Now I'm flying solo today, so unfortunately I wasn't able to get a whole lot of driving video, but thanks to some friends, including Just Buggin and the Dune Buggy brothers, got a couple of awesome clips to share with you. You ready to check it out? Let's go. Now we had quite the large turnout this year, so when you've got a lot of cars together in the trail, you can't really get up to higher speeds. Still a lot of fun, cool things to see, nice terrain to drive over, but it wasn't until we got a chance to get some space where we were able to get up some speed on the trails, which you'll see a little later in the video. You do have to be careful driving through here because there are holes, there's trees, there's other types of obstacles, so you really have to pay attention while you're driving. What I'm showing you is the really tame stuff. Unfortunately, this buggy hit a hole on the trail and blew out his tire. Thankfully, Jeffro and Merlin came to the rescue and got him back on the trail again.
I got one passenger. Yeah? All matters. That's 21 on there? Yep. I need it 21.
Just got done doing a great cruise through the forest. Everybody's on their way to go check out the caves. I'm just gonna sit back and relax this time and just enjoy the peace and quiet out here. A lot of really cool Volkswagens, great people, a lot of fun. If you're thinking about coming next time, don't think about it, just do it. And this is it for Wagons Through Withlacoochee 2. I'll end it here Saturday night in the dark, off-roading. And that's not snow, that's sand floating around in the air. So much fun. Can't wait to do it this year. See you next time on Dub World.